Hello, my cutie pies. How are you all? Oh, it is such a bright, pleasant morning. So, babies, our mamas work so hard for us every day. They cook food for us. They keep us fit and healthy. They work for their office. They keep the house clean. And a lot of work they do whole day. So, today we are also going to plan a special surprise for mama. So are you all ready for it? Make sure that you see this video with your papas or with someone else, some other elder at home because we are going to plan a surprise breakfast for mama. Are you ready? So come with me. So are you ready, babies? Now, first of all, we are going to make a healthy sandwich for mama. Okay? So what do you need? You need some slices of bread. You can take a sandwich bread or a normal bread and you can cut the brown sides of the bread like I have done. See? And you need some tomato ketchup, some green chutney, butter, black pepper, salt and some slices of cucumber, onion and few slices of tomato. You can take some other vegetables also like lettuce, potato and whatever you feel like putting. Okay? And something very special which babies love to eat. Cheese. A cheese slice. Okay. Now, first of all, you are going to apply some butter on the bread. Please take out the butter 5 or 10 minutes before you make the sandwich so that it's easy to apply. See, it's smooth enough to apply on the bread. So put the butter on both the sides. Some tomato ketchup. You can take your papa's help in cutting the vegetables. Yes, you can also take your papa's help in spreading this ketchup and butter for you. And some green chutney. If you don't have the green chutney at home, you can use little bit of chili sauce also. See? Okay. Now, it's time for the vegetables. So, let's put cucumbers, onion and tomatoes. Alright, now we'll sprinkle little bit of salt. Just sprinkle a little bit of salt in this, like this. And little bit of black pepper. It looks yummy. Now we are going to put the cheese slice. So take the cheese slice. If you don't have cheese slice, you can put you can also grate the cheese in this, or you can put the mayonnaise. Alright, now we are going to cover it like this. Okay, so our sandwich is ready. And babies, what is this? It's ketchup. So we are going to decorate it for mama. Okay, so you can make a smiley. See? Like this, you can make a smiley with the ketchup. Okay? So that mama also feels happy when she sees the sandwich. I'm sure she's going to love this sandwich. So, our sandwich is ready. Can you see the sandwich? Okay. So now, since our sandwich is ready, we are going to make one more thing for mama. And you know what it is? Do you know, babies? Yes, we are going to make some fruit salad. Fruit salad is so healthy. Yes, and Mama needs to stay fit. So we are going to make fruit salad now for Mama. So for fruit salad, what do you need? You need some fruits. I have taken apples, cucumber, mangoes and oranges. If you have some other fruits like banana, grapes, then you can use that also. Okay? I was having these fruits, so I have taken these 4 things. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to, and make sure you take Papa's help to chop these fruits for you. Okay? You can tell Papa to chop it for you. Now we are going to put all the fruits in a big bowl like this. Apples, green, cucumbers, oranges. Oh, I'm sure Mama is going to love this. And my favorite, mangoes. Yes, I'm sure all the mamas are going to love this because it's so healthy and our lovely babies are going to make it for Mama. Now, since we've put all the fruits in the bowl, now we'll put some salt. Just sprinkle some salt in this. Little bit of salt. What is this? Black pepper. Yes, sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. And chaat masala. In case you don't have chaat masala, it's okay. You can put salt and pepper also. So let's put some chaat masala. If you don't have the chaat masala, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon also in this. I'm not squeezing the lemon because chaat masala is as it is little bit sour in taste. Okay? Okay. Now, see, all the fruits are there. Salt, pepper and chaat masala. Now we are going to mix it. See? Mix it properly like this. Alright. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. In case you don't have chaat masala, you can squeeze the lemon as I told you. See, it's looking so colorful, isn't it? And it's so healthy. If you have sprouts, you can put the sprouts also in this. That's so healthy. Yes? Now, we have made the sandwich. We have made the fruit salad. Now what is left? Drink. Yes, I'm sure Mama must be wanting a drink also. So, we are going to make what? We are going to make time for Mama. If you don't have time, you can make lemonade or you can make rasna or you can take Papa's help and prepare a cold coffee for her. Alright? So I'm having time. So I'll show you how to make tang for Mama. First of all, you have to take little bit of tang. Take 2 to 3 spoons of tang. Okay. Then you can put little bit of sugar. Okay. Little bit of sugar. If you have powdered sugar, use that. Otherwise, you can use normal sugar also. Little bit of sugar. And then we are going to add some water in this. I've used cold water, but I'm not going to use ice. Okay. Because we want Mama to stay fit and healthy. So I'll not use ice, but I've used some cold water. Now mix it. Please take your Papa's help, okay? to prepare the breakfast for Mama. Mix it well. Okay. Now I think we are ready to serve. So you know, babies, what I've got. See, I've made something very special to make the breakfast special. See, you can also do this. You can just make some hard cutouts like this and put it, with the help of sellotape, you can put the toothpick in this. And we are going to decorate our breakfast with this. I'm sure your mama is going to love the breakfast today. And she'll be very happy. So, you can just put everything in a tray. And we are going to put these tags. What is written in this? Happy Mother's Day. So we are going to put this on the sandwich. And what's written in this? You are very special. Yes, Mama is very special. So we are going to put this on the fruit salad. And what is written on the straw? I love you. So we are going to put the straw here. And now the breakfast is ready for Mama. So I'm sure your Mama is going to love the breakfast. Give the breakfast to Mama. Give her a tight hug and wish her Happy Mother's Day.